In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all liked videos on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then right here at the top right corner, tap at your profile picture, then select Settings, and then tap at Manage All History. After that, you will be taken to this page where at that horizontal menu you should select Interactions, and that's where you can easily find video likes and dislikes. Just tap on it. What that will do, that will show you all the videos you have ever liked or disliked on YouTube. You can scroll down, and if you want to delete some of that videos from your history, all you have to do is just hit at that X next to videos URL, just like that. Now it says deletion complete. You can hit at got it, and then you can continue doing the same steps. If you want to remove some video from your history, just hit at X, and then that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.